Oh, now I only have 18 minutes, but okay, let's see.
We didn't do it on purpose.
I don't know how well this is gonna work. Hey, a bird! Oh, it's just a pigeon. Look at that. Wow. Gorgeous day for just traveling, being outside in general. And since we're heading north, you don't see as many birds' nests as you get heading south, and you see a whole bunch of osprey nests on the stumps that are out in the water. Oh yeah.
Well, more sea air up here because there's sure no sea air in Portland.
Hey, there are houses up there. Let's see if we can zoom in on them. With it being good. No, they're just blurry. Sorry. It records things better that are up close, so you know, I'm not going to give you a ground shot here. Let's turn it like this. Oh yeah, look at that. Hahaha. That's cool. That is really cool right about there. Hey, we're coming up on the Tacoma Narrows Bridge.
Yeah, that'll be my 7 seconds of video. On the phone, so.
Yeah, there you go. House, random house, shrubbery, houses. Yes, I'm having fun with this.
Work tons.
Oh yeah, those houses are gorgeous.
I bet you the 500.
I mean, you got the big line of houses all the way out there, like on that cliff. It's like.
But yeah,